Did you search for what is research philosophy? Did somebody ask you what is your research philosophy? So if you're looking to answer for these questions, you are at the right place because I'm going to explain you what is research philosophy or what is philosophy in the most simplified way. Now, philosophy have three branches. Before we talk about those three branches, I would ask you, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you get notification when we got new video about research methodology. Research philosophy has three branches. Those are ontology, epistemology, and axiology. But what is that philosophy? Philosophy is a Greek word which is philo and sophia. Philo and sophia. Philo means love. Sophia means wisdom. Philosophia means love of wisdom, love of knowledge. But again, there is difference between knowledge and wisdom. Somebody might have knowledge but might not have wisdom. But if somebody is wise, they might have knowledge as well. So earlier, those scholars were looking for understanding the knowledge and reaching a level where they can get the wisdom. So searching for the knowledge so they can reach the wisdom. So having the love to understand the knowledge, to seek the knowledge, to find the knowledge and reaching the wisdom. And that is what is called research. Having the love of wisdom is philo and Sophie. Now, as I mentioned, that has three branches. One is ontology, one is epistemology, and one is axiology. Let's talk about those three branches one by one. But before that, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notified. And we will talk about these three branches in the next videos, which is available there and there.